The Westbrook Why Not 0.3s now have hit the blocks. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Is this a cop or a pass? Is this better than some of the other models? I think this shoe definitely came a long way. 130 price point. Definitely came a long way since the first version. That's crazy, man. The shoes just be popping off. That's crazy. What do you guys think about these, though? I think these look better than some of the older ones, man. I like the 2, the 0.2. The 0.3 is kind of the same look, but it also is more sleek. If they had another pair of the 2s, I would show you guys side by side. But these things are a little more sleek, man. I'm not mad at these. What do you guys think in the comment section below? Denim 6s once again. Got a little something right there. Maybe some dust. Zoom mock for 140. Silhouette is not too bad. What do you guys think about this down below? Zoom arrow on the outsole. This colorway is different. Not mad at these at all. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Those are people who I've been seeing lately in the streams and stuff are hitting me up. Shout out to all of you guys. But what do you guys think about the Wise Nards? Like I said, they are growing on me a little bit, but then again, it's not growing on me enough to want to take these to the crib yet. They do look pretty dope, but we're here actually to talk about some more Kobe's. These Kobe 5 Chaos. Got these in hand now. Seen so many images of these last year, a couple months ago. Now that they are finally here, let's go ahead and get these home. Talk a little bit more about them. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see by the title, we're talking about an oldie but a goodie. Protroing, not retroing, but protroing, coming back out with upgraded materials, better look, maybe even a little bit of a lighter weight to the shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these overall in the comment section below, and if you went after them and copped them for yourself, will you be wearing them for style or for hooping? Because I believe you can do both of these, but maybe that's just me. Without further ado, man, let's get into the box. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you happen to be new and you want to see more content like this, do not forget to subscribe with notification bells on, you dig? Okay, so like I said, we got the Kobe box. You see the logo plus the signature. Pretty much a basic box, all black. Kobe 5 Protro, color code CD4991100. If you want to know that, retailing at the $180 retail price point. Pretty fire, bro. Not a bad price point for these. I'm curious to see if this actual colorway will make it to the outlets. You never know, somebody might cop it, think they could flip it, can't flip it and go return it. So if you guys have an outlet next to you, I recommend you try like a week later, like the next week, go try your outlets and see if you can find what you need, you feel me? Without further ado, let me go ahead and get into this box and pull out the shoe. We've seen images of these, man. We talked about these on the channel before in some of my sneaker news videos, talking about how these were going to release. We didn't have an official date, but now we do. The date is here. What do you guys think about these, man? What, January 3rd? 1/3/20, they are finally upon us. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on the Kobe 5 Protro Chaos. These things are dope. I do not have the original pair from, what, 2010 or 2011? I forget the actual date. Let me know when the original Protro dropped. I really wasn't into the Protros like that then. So some of you guys out there who might be Kobe heads like that, fill us in the comment section below, you dig? Like I said, I'm not sure the actual release date of the first pair, but I do know these pair look a lot better, bro. Look alive, look alive. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on them, as I always ask you. The materials are looking really plush, bro. There's 2 colorways that released, this colorway and then a 2K exclusive. I got this one because this one was at the Foot Locker that I went to. I'm not sure if Hollywood or Highlight had both, but I'm pretty sure they did, but I didn't go out there. I actually caught these from Sherman Oaks Fashion Square. Very dope colorway. The Volt green with the purple, kind of got the mamba print or snakeskin print on there. The lacing is fire. I mean, this shoe is spot on to the previous one, just with a sleeker look, if you will. And like I said, they have upgraded some of the materials and the specs on here, which I think is dope. And speaking of some of the upgraded materials, you know, in the Kobe Protro 1, when they brought that one out, they added a full-length zoom. This one does not have full-length zoom, even though initially was reported that it had. This one has zoom turbo, which is also in the Kyrie 5 and Kyrie 6. So that definitely is an upgrade to that. Of course, the traction is plush. You're going to be getting some up close and personal visuals of these, plus an on feet. Let me know your overall thoughts and opinions on them, man. I had to get my hands on these things because they just have a dope look to them, bro. The resale on them is not too bad if you are somebody trying to catch them and you weren't able to catch them in the store or online. Even though I think you might not have that hard a time, just depending on the area that you are at. I think the shoe is fire though. One of the better Kobe Protros that have released, especially since for the 5s. I mean, the Wisnars are cool, but overall, these are dope. The carbon fiber going on, the grip looks like it's really plush. The Zoom Turbo in the forefoot of the shoe, which is pretty much highlighted in this area here, I believe. Wait, the Nike Zoom branding is on the back of the shoe, but I think the Zoom is actually on the forefoot. Unless it's this, wow, the cushioning on this shoe is very, very nice. The cushioning is really, really nice, as well as the traction on this shoe. I'm curious to see what these things actually come out like when I try them on. Real detailed situation going on. I'm not sure what the print is inside the insole, but I will show you that in the highlights of the shoe. Overall, the colorway is fire, and you know Kyrie did his rendition of these things as you see them behind me. Let me know your honest opinions on these and how well did they do it, bro. I mean, it's like spot on. Let me get these laces out the way. It's like spot on with how they did it, the rendition. Nike, Kyrie, and them, they paid homage very well to these. Now, when I did the video on this, I talked about these, had pictures. Now we got them in live and living color. We're gonna probably do a video on that too, but I just wanted to bring this here for now. How spot on did the Kyrie 5s hit it? Which one do you guys like more? I mean, if you guys are here for the Kobe, obviously you like the Kobe more. But this Kyrie 5 is one of your best Kyrie 5s that's out. I think they hit it on the nail with everything they did with this shoe. Definitely fire shoe as well. But the Kobe 5 Protro Chaos is out now. If you guys want to go ahead and get it, try to get it online. The resale, like I said, is not too crazy as of yet. If you wait a while, you might be able to find them at the outlets. You just never know, man. Without further ado, we'll get to the highlights of these shoes, plus the on feet. Your boy Bossco, have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Deuces.